Before I set up the colliders for the hands and feet, I want to fine tune the arms and legs first. So I'm going to go into the prefab window. So here's the skin. So the collider for the upper arm, I think that might be a little too thick. I'll start with the left arm. I'll decrease the radius. And also the height. Okay, I guess that's good enough. I'm going to copy component for the capsule collider and paste the values into the right arm. Paste component values, and I'm gonna come back to the left forearm. Again, decrease the radius and the height. Adjust the center. Oops. And the left forearm into the right forearm. Okay, make sure that both sides are equal. Now I'm going to create a sphere collider for the hand. Sphere collider and a rigid body. Okay, 0.001 seems about right. Maybe 0.009. Okay, that looks good enough. And again, copy component, go to the right hand. This time, paste component as new, and then add the rigid body. We also need the character joint, so I'm going to copy the character joint from the parent, copy component, put it into the hand, paste as new, and I'm going to drag in the forearm into the connected body of the hand. And I'm going to do the same thing with the right hand. Copy from the upper joint, copy component, paste as new, and drag in that upper component into the lower part. So the upper body looks pretty good. I'm going to work on the lower body now. Here it is. Again, decrease the radius. And the height. And copy component into the other side. Paste component values so we have equal sides. Again, for the shin, keep changing the wrong numbers, but just make sure that the colliders are matching the body as much as possible. Okay, I'm going to copy component from the left shin into the right shin. Okay, make sure we have a symmetry. I'm going to work on the feet now. So here's the left foot. I'm going to add a capsule collider. Okay. Maybe the radius is a little too big. Okay, that looks good. Copy component to the right foot. Paste component as new. And again, we need the rigid body. And copy the character joint from the upper body part. Paste component as new and drag in the upper body part. Same thing for the left foot. Add rigid body. Copy from the shin. Paste it in. Paste component as new and drag in the shin. Oops. There we go. Overall, I think we have a pretty good representation of the body with our colliders. I'm gonna come back outside. Okay, let me delete the blue variants. We're not gonna need them in this video. And I'm gonna click on the Ragdoll parts, set up Ragdoll parts. So all the hands and feet are in the list. And I'm going to add the left hand into the left hand attack. Where's the right hand? Right hand. Right hand for right hand attack. Left foot. Left foot attack, right foot attack. And apply all. Let me delete the business model, male, prefab, because I want to start clean. Let me rename this. Okay, so drag it in there one more time. I'm going to drag in another one. This one's going to be a dummy. I'm going to turn off manual input and click play. If I attack, we have an error message. For the player, we don't have AI. So if AI controller is not null, I'm going to turn it off. We'll also turn carving off, or just the entire nav mesh obstacle. But we're only going to do it if we have an AI controller. Save and go back. And before I click play, let me go to the camera, because we're missing the target because we got the new prefab. Spine number 3. I'm going to drag it into the follow and look at the shake camera, follow, and look at. Now if I play again, okay, we see that the camera is working, and I'm going to attack, and the attack is working fine. I'm going to delete the dummy, and for the original, make sure that everything is applied. I'm going to drag in the Ybot blue again. 3 of them. I'll put this one here just to try it out. And I'll click play. So just like the Ybot yellow, I think the AI as well as the player are working fine. Pathfinding is not perfect, but it's working reasonably well. Okay, the attacks are fine. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.